SLRV FTS800 expedition vehicle. Based on the Isuzu FTS800 4x4 Crew Cab, this unit has masses of seats up the front and masses of beds with inside the rear, with as many as 7 seats with inside the front cab and as many as 7 berths with inside the rear. What higher matter to percentage the visiting experience. Configurations. The FTS8O0 Crew Cab is to be had with a spacious 5.5 meters inner dwelling space. All fashions function as enclosed rear storage to keep large objects such as spare tires, desks and chairs, and mountain bikes. Power and self-sufficiency. An expedition vehicle by definition should to now no longer best attain faraway locations. However, it ought to additionally permit its occupants to live for prolonged periods. To do this, the car ought to comprise an energy device that verges on self-sufficiency. This energy cycle may be cut up into 3 predominant stages: power storage, power supply, recharging, old dependent. Let's examine how the SLRV FTS8O0 combines cutting facet layout and the contemporary generation to do simply that. Interior comfort. No matter the size, all SLRV interiors make the most of the available space. Intelligent designs create an open feel, while the highest quality materials and appointments provide the right amount of luxury to keep you comfortable in the wilderness for a long. Let us take a look inside. Features and appliances. SLRV loaders may be equipped with a nearly countless variety of functions and appliances, including electric beds, induction cooktops, convection, microwave oven, washer, dryer, dishwasher, fridge, freezer, extra drawer freezer, gas, electric power BBQ, water and room heater, amusement systems, satellite tie, cell internet, and an awful lot more. Notice feasible functions range with version these. Fixed bed configuration, bunk beds, full and suit, custom interior finishes. We explained the previous video about the SLRV Commander. You missed that video? Look up the corner of the card. Can you watch that video? No matter what your interior style is, SLRV have you covered. With a range of interior finishes including flooring, cabinetry, solid surface, benchtop, upholstery, wall, and ceiling, you're sure to find a style that makes you feel right at home. Features are seamlessly incorporated into the interior space, creating an extremely spacious and comfortable atmosphere. Multiple cells will shop and preserve water. The SLRV device contains more than 1 tank organized in a collection of separate cells. By doing this, numerous exceptional water may be saved in separate tanks and accessed for specific makes use in the long run, allowing you to preserve your water. This wise device permits you to pick out which tank you want to fill with the aid of using the click of a switch. Similarly, within the vehicle, you may pick out which tank you need to attract from. Depending on the configuration, the FTS800 holds approx. 500 liters of water, appropriate for long-term remote travel. Dedicated drinking water, city water supply, diesel hot water and here. CAD Design and CNC. SLRV use today's SolidWorks 3D CAD software program to constantly broaden and examine automobile design. Customers get hold of a complete 3D version and running drawings of their automobile design to make certain the construct meets their genuine requirements. By utilizing this SolidWorks software, an extensive style of metal and aluminum additives are CNC reduced and folded for precision accuracy and construct quality. 3-point torsion-free chassis, infused composite fiberglass panels. SLRV used the brand new SolidWorks 3D CAD software program to usually expand and examine car design. Customers acquire a complete 3D version and running drawings of their car design to make certain the construction meets their actual requirements. By making use of this SolidWorks software, an extensive form of metal and aluminum additives are CNC reduced and folded for precision accuracy and construct quality. The Modified Truck Club. The Isuzu FTS800 is an exceptional off-road truck straight out of the factory. SLRV improve upon the vehicle's expedition credentials by doing some subtle but necessary modifications. Let's have a look at what's involved. Super single wheels and tires, suspension upgrade, long-range fuel tank, expedition roof rack and windscreen bars. SLRV used the CAD software program to always expand and examine automobile design. Customers acquire a complete 3D version and running drawings of their automobile design to make sure the construction meets their actual requirements. By utilizing this SolidWorks software, an extensive kind of metallic and aluminum additives are CNC reduced and folded. Vision accuracy or quality. Winch bar, dash guard and front winch, rear winch and tow bar, compressed air system.